Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo Fire Sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Leo. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for Leo Fire Sign. Leo, what's going on? Seven of Pentacles with Judgment under the deck and Ten of Wands. You are feeling overburdened, Leo. Maybe you only the person always taking care of this relationship, and maybe this person is in and out of your life. You are going to be make some major decision regarding this relationship. For some, one person in this connection going through some legal issues also. And Seven of Pentacles, you keep waiting on someone or something. There is some waiting mode. So let's say we're reading recent past, Seven of Swords, Two of Swords, and Three of Cups. I think a lot of you are in third party situation. You are in third party situation. You confused which decision you have to make because already you are in the process of making decision, but in past you are at some crossroads. You are unable to make any decision because your person is obsessed with you. They're sneaky. They're playing games with you. Again, energy is vice versa, guys. So according to me, it's your person. So in recent past they played games with you, and this person may be toxic for you. Yes, there are some trust issues between you and your person, and third party involved here, maybe friends or family or other man or other woman. It could be anything, but definitely some issues are there. Then present, Page of Pentacles, High Priestess, and Four of Wands. For some, you both could be twin flames. Children's also involved in this connection, and there is some message. Maybe they want to communicate with you, but you are listening to your intuition, trusting your intuition. Future, Two of Wands, Hangman, and Devil. Still you are stuck. In future also you're feeling stuck. You're thinking about them a lot because you have to make some decision, but still you are at some crossroads. Maybe you have options you have to choose, and the Devil is here. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn. For some, this person may be toxic for you. Very dark energy because Seven of Swords with Capricorn, with the Devil. Definitely this person may be toxic for you, guys. Be careful. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Capricorn. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Under the deck, King of Wands with Knight of Swords. Yeah, they are rushing to communicate with you. They want to take action. Your person dominative, very dominative and very aggressive. So let's see their current feelings for you. Empress. Cards are jumping, guys. Let's see their intentions also. Emperor with Seven of Swords. Again. Maybe they are playing games with you guys. For some, third party involved. And Emperor maybe ego problems also for some. So their feelings, the Empress, Queen of Pentacles, and the Strength. I think they're scared for rejection. For some, maybe you're pregnant. The woman in this connection, and Queen of Pentacles. So your person may be thinking that you are very career oriented. You are very caring, and you are very caring person, and they're thinking about you very positively. But this person may be toxic for you. Lot of resistance I'm getting here, because two times Seven of Swords energy and one time Devil. So intentions, Nine of Cups, Eight of Wands, and King of Cups. They're wishing for this connection, and Eight of Wands, lots of communication is coming, but they are coming back. They wanna communicate with you, they wanna express their love to you, but there are some issues, because you have to listen this message. For some, this person really sneaky for you. For some, you already know that they are playing games with you, so it is the time to move on, guys. Yes, very very rare cases, if they're really changing for you, if really changing their behavior, then you have to give one chance. Otherwise, if really third party involved, then there is no point to continue. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on and outcome. But lots of communication is coming. Maybe now they're realizing your worth. See, Tower, they're going through Tower moment after the separation, for those who are in separation right now. That's why you're confused. You are at some crossroads. You don't know which decision you have to make. Again, Magician. Yeah, maybe this person is a manipulator. A lot of trust issues between you and your person. And now they want to work on this relationship. They want new beginnings with you. But totally decision is in your hands. Again, maybe they're playing game with you. Who knows? So let's see. Yeah, you're holding back, you're not expressing, because due to trust issues. So you're juggling, Leo. You're not going to, I think you're in the process of making decision, but still you're juggling, because they again coming back and saying that they love you. Again, you're confused, but you are holding back. Maybe you are thinking of, see, you're heartbroken, and you are going through some transformation. Definitely this is a lot of drama. Maybe this person is sneaky for you. Let's see mutual. Patience is the key. Yeah, lot of drama. Five of Wands, and patience is the key, and the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius or Aquarius. Still, there is lot of drama going. You want to restore the balance within yourself, Leo. Yes, for some you are holding back, but they're again coming back. So be careful if they really sneaky for you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Past person return. All I want is you. Reunion is coming. Wow, reconciliation. Lot of reunion, reconciliation cards are coming. I'm crazy about you, and options. So the messages are past person return. All I want is you. Reunion is coming. Reconciliation. I'm crazy about you, and options. So for some, those who are not in third party situation, if they're really changing for you, there is a chance for reconciliation. But lot of you, maybe you decided to holding back, not move on, holding back. You want to see that they're really changing for you or not. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. A new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. Wow, Libra energy. Don't let pride get in your way. Full moon in Leo. So don't show your pride or attitude to anyone, especially to your loved ones. Sometimes it will destroy the whole relationship. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.